Hi all, welcome to Learn Code Repeat. So today we'll be looking at day 15 of the October LeetCode challenge. The name of the problem is rotate array. So before we start the problem, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's look into the problem. So the problem says given an array, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. The follow-up is try to come up as many solutions as you can. There are at least 3 different ways to solve this problem. Could you do it in place with O of 1 extra space? So the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's a num array, and k is 3. So we have to take the last 3 digit from the end. So here it is 5, 6, 7 and place that at the start of the array. So it will be 5, 6, 7 and then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is the expected output. The constraint here is nums dot length is greater than or equal to 1 and it is less than or equal to 2 into 10 raised to 4. The values in the nums array can be between minus 2 raised to 31 to 2 raised to 31 minus 1, which is integer dot min value to integer dot max value. K can be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 10 raised to 5. So let's look into this first example. So the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and k equals to 3, right. So here what will happen is when k is 1, right, we have to move 7 to the start. So it will become 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then when k is 2 it will become 6 will move to start. So it will be 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then when k is 3, that is in the third step, it will be 5 will come to the start. So it will be 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the final output. Okay. This was the initial and this is the final. So there are 3 steps, right. The first thing that we have to check is k can be greater than the length of the nums array. So we can directly do k equals to k mod nums dot length. So that way if let's say k is 30, right, so we can check the length is nums dot length is 7 and k is 30. So 30 mod 7 is 2, right. So it's same as k equal to 2, right. Now in this case k is 3, so let's take k equal to 3. Now if you observe here, right, what we are doing is we are placing this 5, 6, 7, right, to here, right. So 5, 6, 7 is this is 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4 is here, this 2, right. So one way to solve this is starting from the first element from the right, which we have to move. So here the first element from the right is 5, right. So if I write down this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will do the length minus k value, which is 7 minus 3. So it will be 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first the pointer will be here. This I need to move 3 points, right. So I will move it in a cyclic way. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is here, right. So 5 will come here. Now this value which is currently at this position, right, that again I need to move 3 points. So 1 will now move 3 points. So 1, 2, 3. So 1 will now come here. Now 4 again needs to move 3 points. So 4 will move 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So 4 will come here. Now 7 will need to move 3 points. So 7 will move 1, 2, 3. So 7 will come here. Now 3 need to move 3 points. So 3 will be 1, 2, 3. 3 will come here. Now 6 needs to move 3 points. So 1, 2, 3. So 6 will come here. Now 2 needs to move 3 points. 1, 2, 3. 2 will come here, right. Now as soon as we are at the starting index, right, we started with this 5 and again we are again coming to the same index, right. At that time we can break. So if you see the final output, it is same as this, okay, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one way. This is using one loop we can do it in a cyclic manner, okay. There is one more way and we will look the code for that, which is much more simpler to understand. So first what we will do is the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can directly reverse that number. So if we reverse the number, you will get 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 1, correct. So if you see here, we need the end result as 5 6 7. 5 6 7 is present, but it is present at the starting 3 position, right, which is same as k equal to 3. Okay, so if I break this at k equal to 3, right, the first 3 element, and if you try to observe what is the difference between this value and the actual result that we expect, right, we observe that the first 3 element, it is reverse of what we expect, right. So if we just reverse this part, right, and then we reverse this part, let us see what will happen. So if we reverse this part, we will get 5 6 7, and if we reverse this part, we will get 1 2 3 4, which is same as exactly what we want, right. So the step is basically, first step is reverse the whole nums array from 0 to, let us say n is the length, so n minus 1, right, length minus 1, the whole thing. So once you reverse the whole thing, then I again need to reverse the same, call the reverse function, this is the second step, but this time I will call first for this, right. So it is nums, but it will start from 0 and it will be till k minus 1, right. I am, both start and end is inclusive, okay. So it will be k minus 1, and the third step will be, again I am calling the reverse, and this time it is only for this, right. So it will be starting with k, right, it is a 0 index, so it will start with k till n minus 1, and in these 3 steps we will be able to solve the same thing. Here we are going through the entire array, so it will O of n, that will be the complexity. Here we are going till O of k minus 1, and here it is k to n minus 1, adding this together is n. So this is also O of n together, so n plus n is O of 2n, which is same as, in total the complexity is O of n. So time complexity is O of n, and we are not using any additional space, so space complexity is O of 1. Even for the cyclic solution, right, time complexity is O of n, and we are not using any additional space, so space complexity is also O of 1, okay. So let us code this. So here first we did a k equal to k mod, let us say length is the nums dot length, so let me define length here. So k equal to k mod length. Once we have done that, now we will call the reverse function. So reverse nums 0 till length minus 1, I am just copy pasting this reverse again, and now it is 0 till k minus 1, and then it is k till length minus 1, and I can define the reverse function here. So this will be basically while my low is less than high. So the way I am reversing is, I am swapping the start and the end value, that is the low and high value. I can simply swap until my low is less than high. So that way we can reverse the string or reverse the array, right, it is normal reverse function. So I will have a nums of low equal to nums of high, and nums of high equal to temp, and then I need to increment low plus plus and high minus minus. So this is a simple solution. As I said, time complexity is O of n. So let us run this code. So this test case pass. Let us run for, let us say it is just one element. Okay, this is also fine. Let us submit this code, and the code is accepted. So that's it for this video. Please do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel for future such videos. Thank you.